I'm asked a lot by people who aren't in the clinical trial space, what is it I do? And I say, well, the standard clinical trial is we make a power calculation and we say you need 300 patients, go off for 3 years and collect data on 300 patients. And then you look at the data and you find out the answer to your one question. And a lot of times you look at the data and you say, oh, shoot, we kind of ran the wrong trial 3 years later, many millions of dollars later. And you say, I wish the trial would have been smaller. I wish it would have been bigger. I wish we'd enrolled a different patient population. Or maybe I wish we used different doses, something we could have done differently, that the trial really wasn't the right trial. And you don't find that out for 3 years later. So we design trials that can move during the course of it. Rather than waiting 3 years, we do analyses during the course of the trial, making sure it's still answering the appropriate questions. Do we need to alter the patient population? Do we need to alter the sample size? Are things learned during the course of the trial that makes it a better trial? Now, well, what's hard is you say this to people who aren't in the space. They say, boy, I hope you do that in trials. I hope you don't just collect data for 3 years and look at it 3 years later and say, oh, shoot, I hope you're giving us better treatments and you're giving us, better things. But it's really not what's done. So can we make the design better? Now, the Bayesian statistics part sort of feeds into the ability to do that is actually a little bit easier, but that's more of the fine details of that. But that's what we're trying to do, trying to design better trials that answer more and better questions more efficiently.